wasn't fucking with CNC, nigga. And they only been there a couple of months.
My son Miller down with cash money. Bling, bling. Every time I come over, I can see a bling, bling.
Bye,
nigga. Yeah, show the pinky ring. Bling, bling.
Pinky ring, man.
I'm trying to get you
Bling, bling. He said big pinky ring.
Coliseum, right? John came to Coliseum. John trying to make a name for himself.
Ever since.
Right? John didn't make a name for himself by himself.
Niggas wasn't expecting.
Nah, he did.
No, he didn't. Y'all niggas helped him, bro. Y'all helped him, bro. It's not no, bro. That's like me saying. That's like me saying.
Hold on, you know what's crazy? I think everybody helps one another become something like that in this game. Even CNC.
Yeah, bro. No.
Swag. That wouldn't happen if he didn't have y'all support. If y'all niggas wasn't doing that too.
Different. No.
I'm telling you.
This one thing.
Support and unity is what gravitates.
No. I'm gonna tell you something a lot of people don't know. Swag was lit before the nigga ever wrote a battle rap list. Before he wrote a battle rap ball. I was on that type of time and with my brother. You get what I'm saying?
Listen, you can say that 'cause that's your brother, but
listen. Yes, he was. What are you talking about? His first battle wasn't no fucking Coliseum shit. His first battle was like fucking a league that was beefing with my league. I orchestrated that, nigga. I orchestrated that, the wartime shit. I said, you know what? My league don't want to book you. You gonna fuck with the niggas that don't fuck with them. That's how we on some wrestling shit, gangster. You gonna take your dumb ass over there. You gonna battle whoever they say you gonna battle. You know what? After that, you not battling on that league because they actually trash. I know they actually trash. You know they ain't trash, but you need your first battle. You need practice. We gonna take you over there. Alright, boom. Now we gonna go to the white people. You know what we did? We went to beast mode. Before I even got the battle over there, I got Swagger battle over there. That's all for me just saying he's nice. You get what I'm saying?
But I was somebody
before I was supposed to battle. Before I was supposed to be we go hard. No, you're not listening. Before I was Swagger was supposed to be we go hard before I was.
I was supposed to be we go hard before I was Kali.
Swagger was supposed to be we go hard before he wrote a round. You understand what I'm saying?
This is my budget. I was going to turn we go hard because of that.
Are you understanding what I'm saying, bro?
But then John, my man, he going to Kali. I ain't gonna let you go over there.
Are you understanding? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
No, I hear you.
Support is everything.
Exactly.
As long as you got a nigga that's pushing you, you're gonna get to where you gotta go. I push Swag. That nigga went to the URL. Gangsta, I swear to God. I wish I could do that shit for myself. I can't.
But that's what I'm telling you. You see how you just said that? Sometimes people's role is to do that.
Yeah, I know my role, bro.
You feel me? Sometimes people's role is to do that, gang. Yeah. It's to push that other person. Like, you might be like, you know what? Look at what the rappers, bro. 6ix9ine, them niggas knew he wasn't no shit.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
But he's the nigga that they could publicize. You feel me?
That's what I'm trying to tell you. If it wasn't for you, it wouldn't be no millions, nigga. Taman would still be so clear. Henny would still be so clear.
I'll tell you this. If it wasn't,
we'll still be all so clear trying to figure this shit out.
You feel me? Rocky. It wouldn't be no million, you feel me? Because we constantly was there with each other. Every event, you feel me? Popping out, calling niggas to pop out. Even people that wasn't a part of this shit, you feel me? They didn't know nothing about this shit.
And all that. This is the thing. Another niggas don't know. I knew about all y'all information when y'all didn't know about it. That's how much I was investing in y'all niggas to be great. I didn't give a fuck about nothing else. I like battle rap.
Like, look.
I like battle rap. And I like wrestling.
And niggas didn't
y'all
even
niggas
know.
like wrestling, we like wrestling.
My cousin JoJo, right?
We out.
My cousin JoJo was the one who told me, like, yo, Captain Live, he family. You feel me? I was like, oh, alright, bet, say less. So that's what made niggas like, yo, really fucks with them OD. Like, alright, yo, bro. I mean, you feel me? Say less. You feel me? Like, niggas just gonna fuck with you. That's it. Once you tell a nigga, like, a nigga family, a nigga just gonna go with that. You feel me? Like, respectfully.
Shit like that.
Respectfully, bro. Like, you ain't gotta say nothing else. No more.
It's a lot of shit for the rest of the month.
You know?
All y'all tune in.
Yeah, man. Spliffing balls.
Follow the Instagrams and the Twitters and all that.
Underscore Mad Max underscore MTOO. Scroll down Mad Max on Facebook. Everything OO, man. OO. We outside.
All y'all tune in. You are really outside. That's a third degree interview live on the set. You heard.
Like a
So
stripper
y'all can
ass.
see how it
That's a
looks.
great one. I thought it was a ball.
Doing a stinky leg on a pole. Respectfully.
Yo, dude.